Welcome to our custom field expressions library video. In some cases, a pure drag and drop might not be sufficient to calculate complex metrics. Sometimes you might want to clean or manipulate your data before creating KPIs, or you might need a specific field that doesn't exist in your data source yet, and has to be calculated from other columns in your data. With the custom field option, you can accomplish all of these things. It basically gives you two different options, creating a calculated as well as merging fields. With the help of a merged field, you can merge multiple dimensions into one. To do so, you can use different join types that you can see here, but in this tutorial, we will focus on creating a calculated field. So, let's imagine you would like to take your gross revenue and calculate the tax for each country. First, let's give this field a name, tax cleanup. Then, let's select the function. We use the case function here. Now you can use the fields to your left to drag and drop and create a new expression. I'm going to drag and drop the country field into my expression, and specify the United States. Then, I will drag and drop the amount field into my expression, and state that it should be divided by 1.1. For the sake of time, I prepared already the rest of the formula, which I will now just copy and paste, and there we have our complete formula. Make sure that it is valid, and then you can select on the top right corner, in which folder you want to save your new custom field. Finally, hit the Apply button, which will bring you back to the analyzer. Now we can build a chart. Using our new expression, the new expression will be listed under the selected folder, by default under Custom Fields. I am going to drag it over to the Y-axis, and I am going to drag country over to the X-axis. I will bring over also my revenue to the Y-axis, so that we can compare. Be aware that we need to change the aggregation type to sum for both fields in the Y-axis, and here we have our adjusted KPI with our new expression. We can continue editing it in the analyzer or save it directly to a dashboard.